red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, and white color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use black color. Black color. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use green color. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Blue color, red color, green color, black color, white color, and yellow color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use blue color. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for car. D for doll. E for egg. F for fan. G for God. It's Nidra H and use red color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use green color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. It's Nidra U and use black color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, white color, and yellow color. Okay, so now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use red color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use blue color. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use black color. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's now draw 26 and use green color. 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.